be doing a lot of things at this time, but you could be doing more. But it would be, I would say, you doing things together would make it like lighter at the same time. And I think you've been connecting with this soul in the ether, or you are manifesting this person. And look at that ray of light again, and this time, like speaking of the heart chakra, there's really like activation of that heart chakra, and that's how you manifest this. You have manifested this one, and that balance there, look at that. Something, oh my goodness, look, the Hierophant. Oh yeah, this one's 21-3. Yeah, you could be something like impacting the whole world as well, in whatever way. It could be doing service to the world. And the Hierophant here, 5, is change. And you can see all these flowers again, and there's 2 keys there, 2 again, 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2 is very, very significant there. And look at that green again. Yeah, this is like, you may both did not even expect it would be this huge for you both. My goodness, 4 of Wands. There's really like, if you are thinking about marriage, if this applies or resonates with you, please do, I mean, claim it. And of course, in whatever way, but I would say there's really like, speaking of stability, and that's 111, stability, yes. And the next one is the Lovers. So it's like, and that's 11-11, exactly as I glanced at the timer. Oh my goodness, like, this is really very clear about this love. It's love reading. You have here the Lovers, and look at the wings here. Oh my goodness, and it's very like fruitful relationship. Look at that, and also look at that snake there. It's like, maybe there were like temptations surrounding both of you, but especially it's someone in the masculine energy, but or in the feminine actually. Yeah, look at that. But I would say, you, even in the spiritual realm, we were supporting each other before coming together in this physical body. I mean, coming together, yes, in the 3D world. But there's really like angelic protection in there as well. The Lovers there. Okay, let's